Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today I'm going to continue working on Pop and I's quilt, the frequency quilt that was put together for one of our first live 12-hour live stream. So we're just going to continue working on it. I did some hearts up here in the border, and then just like did a little loop between the very scrappy outer border. And then when it comes to these squares right here, I think I'm just going to go hop from spot to spot. So let's do that. It's off the belts, 12 stitches per inch. Okay. And to save myself some traveling, I'm going to go here, 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 here. And then when I come on the way back, I can just go on the bottom. Okay, or you can start on the bottom and do the same, whatever makes you more comfortable, okay? And I'm just going to try and hop from one spot to the next, not doing too much into the square itself, just trying to get myself from one corner to the next and have some fun. I really want a lot of free motion fun in this project. So. Try not to stress about maybe if one's not exactly the way you wanted it to be. If you find maybe they're not looking like you wanted, then maybe slow down a little bit. Sometimes even speeding up makes them look a little bit better because you're in a more of a consistent movement than a hesitant. And just find your rhythm. Don't forget to move. Okay. And breathe. I hadn't quite decided what I wanted in the upper right part yet. Don't want anything too dense. I have to think about that. Good thing I got all the time in the world when working on this quilt. And then to work our way back. Careful. Try and get it still as the average that you were doing the ones before. It's like jumping through puddles. Oops. Okay, and then what you do is you just make your way yourself back to the other side, and you're done. And I think it looks really nice the way it's turned out there. Sorry for the quietness. It takes some deep concentration, and since this is for Pop and I really want to make sure I'm doing a good job. And I think it's going to look beautiful. I'm really not sure about anything in here. Maybe I might just put a line. I don't know. Maybe I'll just stitch in the ditch and just leave it as a puff. I don't want it over quilted. That's one of the main things. So thank you everybody for joining us today. We greatly appreciate you here at the Mama Pop Quilt Shop. If you have any questions, just leave them below. Now, this is the extra borders that I have added onto this frequency quilt. That's from some of the extra fabric that was from the kit, as well as pulling some of the gray colors from a stash that I had. So right now we're just working on the extra. We'll soon get to the other part. Take care, everybody. Hope you have a fantastic holiday season. And our next live stream is January 2nd, and there won't be any videos in between. So we're just going to take that week off between Christmas and New Year's, and we'll see you everybody with fresh-faced on January 2nd. Okay? Big hugs to you. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing.